undiscovered. Safe in here from all the stupid questions. Hey, did you get some? Man, that is so dumb. Stay quiet, stay near, stay close, they can hear, so we can get some. My hopes are so high that your kiss might kill me, so won't you kill me, so I die happy. My heart is yours to fill or burst, to break or bury, or wear his jewelry, whichever you prefer. Hands down, this is the best day I can ever remember. I'll always remember the sound of the stereo, the dim of the soft lights, the scent of your hair that you twirl in your fingers, and the time on the clock when we realized it's so late in this walk that we shared together. The streets were wet and the gate was locked, so I jumped in and I let you in, and you stood at your door with your hands on my waist, and you kissed me like you meant it, and I knew that you meant it, that you meant it, that you meant it, and I knew that you meant it, that you meant it.
Hey guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know, and subscribe here for more. This is an example of what we call a custom choreography, where we create a dance custom for our clients. So you can purchase this one now if you really loved it and use it as your own, learning it step by step. We also do offer custom choreography options, which I've linked below in the description for you, so you can go check that out as well. And we do have a ton of more content on our website, if you didn't know, ballroomfeed.com. If you want to learn more dance and you want to support us, that's where to find us. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.